Welcome again, everyone. Let's get started. In this chapter, we will have a tour of Google Cloud Platform, and in this video, we will know how to access the GCP or Google Cloud Platform. So, we will know also what is GCP projects and what is the navigation menu and how to work with Cloud Shell and what is API library and how to get benefit from it. Please be patient. We will go through this course step by step, and you will get every video or every session a quiz just to make sure that you understand very well. The prerequisites for this video: you should have basics meaning of Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started. So this is the Google Cloud Platform. For me as an instructor, I'm using Quick Labs just to get credentials to access Google Cloud Platform. Thanks Quick Labs for supporting me really well for creating the content. So let's have a quick look of this platform. There is a lot of stuff. This is our project info, project name and project ID and project number. You will need these credentials because these identifiers are frequently used when interacting with GCP services. You are working out of one project, so you can get practice with a specific service or feature of GCP. So this is our navigation menu. The navigation menu is an important component on the GCP console. It offers you a quick access to the platform services and also outlines its offering. If you scroll through the menu, you will see there are about 7 categories of GCP services like compute, and as you can see, compute is a house of a variety of machine types that support any type of workload. The different computing options let you decide how to involve it. You want to be with operational details and infrastructure amongst other things like App Engine and Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Functions, Cloud Run. We will know some of these features through this course and how to create like virtual machine instance and more. The second part about storage, and storage is a data storage and dataset options for structured or unstructured, relational or unrelational data like big data, data store, file store, SQL and more. And the third one is about networking services that balance application traffic and provision security rules amongst other things. And fourth part is a Stackdriver. Stackdriver is a suite of cross-cloud logging and monitoring, trace, and other services reliability tools. So you can trace your project or monitor your project with a lot of tools. Then you can see the tools. The tools is a services for developers, like managing deployments and application build pipelines. And also big data. It's a services that allow you to process and analyze large data sets. In another video, we will know what is POP and SOP, so be patient, please. And the last section is artificial intelligence. It's a suite of APIs that run specific artificial intelligence and machine learning tasks on the Google Cloud Platform. This is our navigation menu. We will know some of these features. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.